This easy coleslaw is a must try. See how I make this delicious, creamy coleslaw. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy coleslaw. This is a very easy recipe. So first I'm starting off by grating a really small cabbage that I have here. So I'm just grating around the edges of the cabbage. You don't want to grate the middle part there because there's a little hard kind of stem like thing in the middle there. You don't want that in your coleslaw. So I'm just kind of moving it around and getting the outer part of the cabbage. Once that is all grated out, I'm going to cut up the little leaves that falling off there. I'm going to just chop those up really nice. I'm going to roll it up together, and then I'm going to just chop that up and put it in there also, because that is some good stuff there. So I'm going to just chop it all up right now, and all that will go into my bowl. You want it to be really nice and fine, just like it is after grating the rest. So just make sure to chop it up really small. So I have a carrot here that I'm peeling, and then I'm going to shred it on the same side that I used for the cabbage. I have about a quarter of a small onion here. As I said, I'm using a small cabbage, so that's all I'm going to need. I am using a sweet white onion. You can use a red onion if you like. It is better because it has a sweeter taste when you use these sweeter onions. So I'm just going to grate this, and then I'm going to chop up the remaining pieces that's there. And I'm grating it there on the fine side, because you're going to be eating this raw. Okay, so now it's time to make this creamy goodness for this coleslaw. So now I'm putting in some mayonnaise into my bowl. That's about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. As I said, this is a small cabbage, so I don't have to use a lot. I'm also going to put in some apple cider vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar in this also, even white vinegar. It's up to you. I like apple cider vinegar. I just like the taste that it gives. It brings in a little sweetness to the coleslaw, so I like using apple cider. I put a pinch of salt, some black pepper, then I'm going to put in a little granulated sugar. You can also put in some celery seeds in this. That is also a very good flavor in any coleslaw. So if you have celery seeds, you can do that. I'm not using celery seeds today, but that's also a good ingredient to put in there. I use it when I have it. So now I'm putting in some Dijon mustard. That's like a teaspoon, if I can get a teaspoon out of this container. So this is about a teaspoon of Dijon. So now I'm just mixing everything up until it gets nice and smooth, and then I'm going to add this into the veggies. Now this is my version of coleslaw. This is how I make my coleslaw. People make coleslaw in so many different ways. You can put like so much in coleslaw, but for me this is what I use. You could use a red cabbage. I mean, it's just so many different ingredients you can put in there. Some people put apples. I've seen some people put you know, stuff like that. So For me, I like my coleslaw very simple, and as I said, some people even put some celery instead of the celery seeds. So you know, you can just play around with it and put whatever works for you, but this is my coleslaw. So now I'm adding in my wonderful sauce into the veggies. I'm gonna mix all of this up, and this will be done. You just cover it with a plastic and refrigerate it, and this can last for up to 3 days in the refrigerator. This coleslaw was so good. It was really tasty, you know, like almost like that KFC coleslaw. I just love KFC coleslaw. And I also like Popeye's coleslaw. So this is, you know, kind of similar to that because it has like that sweet flavor to it, and I just love that. So I really hope that you guys try this recipe. I ate this with some pilau. You can eat this with whatever. If you have fried chicken, if you have, you know, rice, whatever it is that you want to use it for as a side, go right ahead. You could. So please like, subscribe, and share my video. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.